Imagine a world where every dollar you own, every cent you save, is visible to the watchful eyes of the government. No secrets, no privacy. This isn't a dystopian novel, this is the reality today. This is the Common Reporting Standard. Today we're talking about the Common Reporting Standard, an international scheme designed to eliminate financial privacy. I'm going to explain exactly what CRS is, why it was introduced, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself and regain your financial privacy. Stay tuned for 9 effective ways to defend against this invasion of your financial privacy. So what exactly is the Common Reporting Standard? The CRS was first introduced by the OECD in 2014. It forces financial institutions in participating countries to report account details to tax authorities, which then share the information with your home country. It's called tax transparency, but really, it's just a massive surveillance tool designed to pry into every detail of your financial life. The goal? To ensure no wealth can escape the taxman's grip. Under CRS, over 100 countries have signed up to share information about your accounts, making privacy a thing of the past. But why did they do this? Let's dig a little deeper. Governments are terrified of losing control over individuals and their wealth. The CRS is all about stopping people from moving their money to tax-friendly jurisdictions. It's about limiting tax competition and keeping you, the taxpayer, trapped. The OECD and participating governments want to make sure you stay within reach, ensuring they can always take their share. It's about control, plain and simple. And what does that mean for us? Well, it's a direct attack on our privacy. Let's talk about why this is so concerning. Privacy isn't about hiding something wrong, it's about maintaining your autonomy. Financial privacy means freedom from bureaucratic overreach. With CRS, the assumption is that anyone with money outside their home country is hiding something. It's a presumption of guilt, a complete disregard for our right to manage our own lives without interference. The CRS turns banks into informants, betraying the trust of their clients to feed information directly to tax authorities. This is a betrayal of the very notion of financial independence. But here's the good news: you can still defend yourself. Let's look at 9 ways to regain your privacy. Here are 9 ways you can sidestep CRS and regain control over your financial privacy. 1. Bank in a non-CRS country. Not all countries are signed up to CRS. In fact, the United States, yes, the United States, isn't part of it. By banking in these jurisdictions, you can avoid being dragged into the CRS web. 2. Move your tax residency to a tax haven. If you establish residency in a tax haven like Monaco or the Bahamas, your financial information will be reported to a low-tax jurisdiction, where it doesn't pose a risk to you. 3. Use a trust. A well-structured trust can protect your privacy. Under CRS, the true beneficiary can remain anonymous if set up correctly. 4. Utilize business accounts existing before CRS. Accounts that existed before CRS came into effect in 2016 may be exempt from reporting, especially if the balance is under $250,000. 5. Manipulate the annual reporting date. CRS reporting happens on December 31st every year. Transferring funds out before this date and moving them back later could ensure that only a zero balance is reported. 6. Utilize shareholder limits. CRS only requires disclosure for company shareholders owning more than 25%. By structuring ownership under this limit, you can avoid reporting obligations. 7. Operate a real business. CRS focuses on financial investments, not operational businesses. Running an active business can help you maintain privacy. 8. List your company on a stock exchange. Publicly listed companies are exempt from CRS. Even listing on a minor stock exchange could sidestep these obligations. 9. Get a taxpayer ID from another jurisdiction. Obtaining a taxpayer ID from a non-CRS country or a jurisdiction with lenient reporting requirements can deflect unwanted attention. The Common Reporting Standard is a blatant attack on our financial freedom and individual privacy. But with the right strategies, you can protect yourself and ensure that your hard-earned wealth remains out of the grasp of bureaucratic control. If you value your liberty and independence, now is the time to act. Make a plan, consider these strategies, and take back your privacy. Because once privacy is gone, it's nearly impossible to regain. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on how to protect your privacy and gain more freedom with second citizenship, residencies overseas, and asset protection strategies. Liberty Mundo helps international clients legally avoid this type of privacy invasion. Contact us for help with asset protection, second citizenship, and residency overseas. We have highly innovative strategies for almost every situation. Consider booking a call using the link in the description for help with your unique situation.